Thank you for choosing the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro Multisport watch. This video will guide you through setting up your new watch. Garmin recommends you charge your watch for 2 hours before heading out on your adventure. Pro tip: for longer adventures, you can always keep your charging cable handy to charge up on the go. You can even use a UL licensed power bank, or if your compatible smartphone supports reverse charging, connect directly to the device to charge your smartwatch. To begin, press and hold the light button on the top left to power on your watch. When ready, press the start-stop button on the upper right of the watch. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Press the start-stop button to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the check mark to begin. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. If you already have the Garmin Connect application on your compatible smartphone, scanning this barcode will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning the code will direct you to install the Garmin Connect application. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Connect app. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. The app will now begin searching for your device. For new or existing customers, select Connect It when the app recognizes your watch. Your watch will now display a 6-digit code that you will need to confirm on the Garmin Connect app. Select Pair. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app setup, select Finish. The app will offer to guide you through enabling key features and services. You can choose to proceed with the app or dismiss. Now that your watch and phone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. As you first start using the watch, helpful tips will display to help you learn more about the watch. Your Fenix 7 Pro also includes a touchscreen that you can use to operate the watch. For example, you can tap on the screen to enable the backlight. Swipe up or down to scroll through pages. Touch on an option to select it. Swiping right will take you back. To learn more about using your touchscreen, see the owner's manual at support.garmin.com. And that's it, your Garmin Fenix 7 Pro is now set up. To learn more about your watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.